Hello 7B and Mr. Evans. Today I'll be talking about comparing the three types of rainfall: orographical, convectional and frontal rainfall, and comparing them with Australia rainfall and New Zealand rainfall. So let's go to the first type. So orographical rainfall. Now orographical rainfall is where winds push clouds full of water towards big mountains, and when the clouds hit the mountains, it forces the rain to fall out. So for Australia, or the mountains come along the east coast. Just forgot what they're called. And they'll block all the rain. That's why there's so much on the east coast, and it just gets less and less as it comes out to here. And in New Zealand, you can see that there'll be lots of mountains ranged throughout here. Not much up the North Island, but lots of mountains through here. So yeah, next page. So yeah, sorry about that. Convectional rainfall is where all clouds, as I said before, all the evaporation, all the sunlight forces all the water or ponds and sea and everything to come up to the clouds, and the wind will just push it over until it collects enough water to all pour out, and the mountains would usually get it mostly before it gets out to the further inland of New Zealand and Australia. So yeah, next one. Now, frontal rainfall. What it is when hot air here. So I'll just outline all the hot air and cold air. So all the hot and cold air. It all collide together, and the hot. I think the hot air pushes through. I think the hot air will push through the cold air, or the cold air will push through the hot air, and basically how all of them would come together. Like I kind of forgot what it's called, and it's kind of like when it comes. So let me just start again. So the frontal rainfall is when hot air collides with cold air and forces it much to be like all wet and damp, kind of like that. And it would force like bits of shower rain to come together and lots of cold, and the wind would push it through out here on this little diagram here. So yeah.